Don't throw away your old, dirty mop. Cut off the worn ends to create a clean base. Then grab a microfiber cloth and wrap it around the mop head. Put the old cover back on top to keep everything tight. Dip the mop head in water and clean your floor as usual. You no longer need to buy a new mop. A simple cloth from home is enough. Rich people won't tell you this secret. Steal wool in boiling water. Once the wool becomes soft, slowly spread it out using tongs and a fork to create an even layer. Then, pour a little dishwashing liquid on it, allowing it to soak deeply into the fibers. Sprinkle a spoonful of baking soda over the top to prepare the perfect base. Baking soda acts as a natural cleaner, removing impurities and restoring shine. Now it's time for the silver. After extended wear, silver can slightly change its shade, and contact with the skin and perfumes gives it a faint yellowish tone. Cook for 10 minutes. After this time, the water will darken, indicating that the residue has come off the surface of the silver. Once the process is finished, pour out the dirty water and gently open the wool. Underneath, you'll find clean, refreshed jewelry that looks brand new. Finally, rinse it under running water and spread it out to dry calmly. Your silver has never looked so dazzling before. This is how jewelers clean silver, but they'll never tell you. It involves several reactions that simply remove years of grime and restore the silver to its original shine. Prepare a large pan. Pour in about 2 cups of water, then bring it to a boil. Add 2 tablespoons of black tea. Its natural tannins help dissolve dirt and bring back the metal's former luster, while also giving it a subtle freshness. Add 2 tablespoons of dishwashing liquid, which will help remove greasy residues, dust, and other impurities, ensuring a deeper clean. Cut 1 lemon in half and squeeze the juice directly into the pan. The natural citric acid will brighten the silver and remove dark tarnish. Now, add a piece of aluminum foil, which, when combined with hot water and lemon, will transfer the dirt from the jewelry to the foil, speeding up the cleaning process. Place the silver jewelry into the pan and cook for 5 minutes to reach every spot. Pour everything into a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes to allow the cleaning process to complete on its own. Then, remove the jewelry and gently rub its surface with the remaining lemon, bringing out the final shine. Lastly, add 1 denture cleaning tablet. Scrub every detail with a toothbrush and rinse with water. Admire how your silver regains its original, dazzling appearance. The jewelry gleams as if it just left the display case in an exclusive jewelry store. Jewelry experts are keeping this secret from us. Put your silver jewelry in boiling water. They definitely don't want us to know this household trick. Over time, silver accessories and jewelry tarnish. This happens because of a natural chemical process. Silver reacts with sulfur in the air. It starts to oxidize and darken in color. Pour water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Then, put your dirty silver in it. The water must cover the silver completely. Take regular toothpaste. Squeeze out a tablespoon of it. Then, dissolve it in the water. Make sure the toothpaste doesn't contain abrasive particles and isn't a whitening type. Toothpaste has cleaning and polishing properties. Next, add a tablespoon of baking soda. It will start to fizz. This fizzing action helps to remove dirt from the crevices of the jewelry. It will also eliminate the unpleasant smell of oxidized silver and brighten it. Additionally, add a small spoonful of table salt. Salt has properties that prevent silver from darkening. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil and put it in the pan. Then, heat everything for a few minutes. The combination of all these ingredients will make your silver as clean as if it had been professionally cleaned by a jeweler. Even the smallest crevices will shine beautifully again. Your jewelry will look like new. This trick will save your jewelry. Silver accessories tend to tarnish over time, but there's an easy solution. Take a glass, line its bottom with aluminum foil, and add a tablespoon of baking soda. Place your jewelry inside, pour boiling water over it, and wait a few minutes. The result? Your silver shines like it's fresh from the jeweler, and your jewelry looks as good as new. Try this homemade method today. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery. Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and free of stains and streaks. No scrubbing or polishing required. Start by preparing a glass oven-proof dish. Place all your cutlery in the dish. Then, sprinkle them with baking powder. Baking powder has excellent cleaning properties. Now add a bit of vinegar to the cutlery. Vinegar will make them even cleaner. But that's not all. Pour in some rinse aid that you use for your dishwasher. Fill the dish with hot water until all the cutlery is completely submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients do their work. After this time, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly shiny it is. This is a simple way to restore the shine to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. This trick delivers truly spectacular results. Just dry them off and you're done. Try this method and see how easily you can achieve spotless shine on your cutlery. Prepare your cutlery for the holidays with a simple method that will make it shine and impress your guests. Place the cutlery in a large pot and fill it with water. Bring the water to a boil, then add 1 tablespoon each of vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda. Next, crumple pieces of aluminum foil into small balls and drop them into the pot. Boil everything together for 10 minutes. Afterward, take out the cutlery, lay it on a towel, and polish it. The result? Sparkling cutlery ready for the holiday table. Jewelers will never reveal this trick to you. Over time, silver tarnishes due to natural chemical reactions. It reacts with sulfur in the air, leading to oxidation and a color change. Prepare a pan and pour about 500 milliliters of water into it. Wait until the water boils. Drop the jewelry into the water, making sure it's completely covered. Add a tablespoon of toothpaste to the water, preferably one without abrasives. The toothpaste has cleaning properties and will not only help clean but also polish. Then add a tablespoon of baking soda, which will cause foam to appear, helping to squeeze the dirt out of the jewelry and eliminate any unpleasant odors. Also add a tablespoon of salt. Salt helps keep silver in good condition, preventing further tarnishing and oxidation. Now, take a piece of aluminum foil and tear it off. Fold it into a smaller rectangle. The foil acts as a catalyst in the cleaning process, speeding up chemical reactions, allowing the silver to become cleaner and shinier. Add the piece of foil to the jewelry. Heat everything for a few minutes. All the dirt will come out of the silver. This simple combination will restore the silver's shine as if it were professionally cleaned by a jeweler, and every crevice will shine like new.